this course I will guide you step by step from introduction of Flutter, making UI, managing state, and many more up to deploying your apps into Play Store or App Store. What you will need for this course is functional laptop which you will be using to code along. It is always recommended to learn as you build. In this course I will teach you everything you need to know about mobile apps development ground up step by step from setting up VS Code introduction to Flutter. Managing states, add interactivity into your apps, navigation between screens and many more up to deploying your apps to Play Store and App Store. Hit the like button, share and like to keep the community growing. Remember to hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for weekly updates. Sit tight, relax and enjoy the show.